If you want to cut and add extra sounds to a Soundtrap project, it's pretty straightforward. Let's start with this little clip here. And then the cow said, "Moo." Do you know what the chicken said? So I've got this large blank spot in here. That's correct. So I can do a couple of things with this blank spot. The easy one here would be to move my little placard to the middle. And then I can click on this region, edit, and I can split it, and then I can just move these apart. Or I can even delete the crackly sound. And that was actually a really long pause, and I probably don't need it to be that long. So then I can move this back over. And then that's a little shorter. So that would be splitting. You know what the chicken said? So now it's quiet in that gap there. That's correct. Now we need a chicken sound. So I really like Sound Bible. It seems to have a good collection of sounds. It doesn't have everything, but I think it does a pretty good job of including most things. Now we need a chicken, probably not fried chicken. So let's check this one out. That's pretty good. So I'm going to click on chicken. And it's going to take me to this page where I can download either a WAV or MP3 file. Either one's fine. I'm just going to click on WAV. And so now it's downloaded. So then I go to Soundtrap, and I'm going to import a file. I'm just going to pull up my downloads. And then there's my chicken. I'm going to grab that, open it up. It gives me a new line for the chicken, and then I can move the chicken where I need it to be. So then I can tell I need it to be a bit longer there. So then I'll snap this back. And let's begin. And then the cow said, "Moo." Do you know what the chicken said? That's correct. So there you go. Then you can produce this as a song file after you click save and download it, and those two things will be combined. Hope that helps.